Hi guys, I'm opening my new Skymarks airplane, an Emirates A380, Airbus A380. I already had a jumbo from Skymarks, and it is pretty much in quite a lot of detail, which is nice, and I kind of like that, so we'll skip straight to the opening. So here you have all the gumph and all the stuff that you can get in with this. So first switch that over. You got all the names of the aircraft which you can get, and because this is such a poor camera it won't focus. Perfect. But yeah, really cool. So if I just lift this, what IC82 likes to call a block of ice, because it is like it, and we get straight to pulling the aircraft out. So it is quite heavy because it's good quality, and as you can see is that if you notice the back tail does actually come off, so it's not just separate. You can take it off if you want and have it like just the body, but it's better as that. So just get all that. I'm going to lift that bottom bit off, and we've got another set. So we've got the engines, the wings, which as you can see is a lot more bigger than the jumbos, which they are, a lot more sized, and plinth and stand and everything. Really nice feature that is. I really like that. And then under that you get the assembly, some more gumph and everything, and how to assemble it. But I guess we won't be needing that because we already know how to assemble it. So what we'll do is we'll move that aside and we get straight into unpacking the aircraft, which we need to do very, very steadily because we don't want to. Right, now as I said before, this is very, very heavy. Very nice quality weight to it. So if we just, and I also forgot to mention proper rubber tyres. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get one of these, I'm going to stick it on the end like so. It's tricky doing this because you actually need to get it in the correct place for it to stick, and then it's on the other side. It's exactly the same. Of course I can't hold the camera because I don't have a stand. This is quite tricky. Be right back. Right, sorry about the weight, everything, but I did have some difficulties trying to put it together, but this is what the finished product should look like once you've put all the stuff together. Really nice model this is, and I am planning on to get more collections, which is going to be nice, so I'll have a relatively quite a few more of these planes, not this exact one but others like it, so different models. Really fantastic this plane is. Oh yeah, one more thing, for people that wants to know how much bigger the A380 was to the jumbo, it's quite a lot more bigger. And engine size is a little bit more bigger on the A380 than the jumbo, so it is quite much bigger. Tail, if I just take that off, I'll take this one off from the rear, if I can get it off, without breaking anything, because I know that if I break anything I won't be too impressed and I will have to send it back. But if I just take off this tail bit and just show you how much bigger the A380's tail is to what the jumbo's is, it should be, if you find out, that's the A380 and the jumbo. It is quite a lot more bigger than the jumbo, the A380's back wing. So the A380 is a lot bigger and a lot more spacious, and just to make you realise that I'm not kidding and it is the right scale, that, if I can just get that to focus, is 200 on there, is a 1/200 on there, there's another 1/200. So they're both the same scale but different sizes. Hope you guys enjoyed.